Yeah, hello boys and girls, this is Boogie Roger. Welcome to another day with me. Today we are talking about making money on Android. Yes, if you want to start making money with your Android phone, today we are talking about Pocket Flip. But before I get started, please let's all make sure you get subscribed to this channel, like the video, share the video to your friends. Alright, yeah, so today we are talking about Pocket Flip. Pocket Flip. Yeah, just go to Google Play Store and Pocket. It will come like this. I've already installed the app. Let's see some reviews. Let me forget about even that. Let me go straight to the videos. The app. Because like I don't want the video very long, but since you go to download the app, you can actually go check the. So here you'll be given 1,000. It was the name 1,000 coins when you invite a friend. All right. Yeah, send your friends a discount code for Pocket Flip gift cards. They will get 100 coins off on their first gift card. You will earn up to 100 coins together with them, 50% of the coins they collect. All right. So this means that, for example, when you download this app and when you put in my code, all right, when you put in my code, what happens is that first of all, I'm going to get 100 coins. At 100 coins, I'm going to be getting 50% of what you get. So let's say if you get 1,000 coins right now, I'm going to keep 500 coins out of it. Let me show you something here. Rewards. See here. You should have a look here. They have Amazon, iTunes, Xbox, Play Store, PlayStation. What's the name? League of Legends, Amazon gift card, iTunes, Steam, Xbox, PlayStation, Nintendo, Reward Points, GameStop, Spotify, Blizzard, Visa, different kinds of reward. Now, how do you earn this reward? What you have to do is use the link that is in the description. Download the app. When you download the app, just click on Start Earning. When you click on Start Earning here, you can start by inviting your friends to come, or you can decide to just go and then maybe see the kind of tasks that are available. Currently, I don't have any available tasks currently because I've done all that. Yeah. So when you come here and then let's say I want to do this, I just copy the link. If you haven't watched the video where I was teaching you guys how to make money sharing links, then go watch that video, because what I'm going to do right now, if you know exactly, if you have watched that old video, I'm sure you know how to do this. So if you haven't watched it, then go to the description. I have my last video, my last video there, where I will teach you guys how to make money sharing link. So now this is a link that when someone downloads the app through this link, you get the coins. Alright, you get the coins. Don't forget the reward starts from 4,400 coins. Alright, 4,400 coins, which means the moment you're able to refer up to 5 people, you can cash out. Yes, you can. When you start, you can cash out, because here they're going to give you 1,000 coins. Don't forget, you just have a look at here. They give me $1,000, alright? So 1,000 times 5 is going to give you 5,000 coins. When you bring it here, you want to redeem for an Amazon gift card, that's 4,400. An iTunes gift card, 4,400. Xbox, they are giving you $15 for 9,600 US dollars. But what I want you to know is this is one of the most lucrative and one of the most wonderful websites that you can use. All right, so here you can choose your location, where you are located, either in the US or what anyhow you want it. If you are from Ghana and maybe you have not been getting offers to complete, subscribe and turn on my notification bell, because my next video I'm going to teach you guys how to be able to get offers and 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 offers. All right, yeah, so just subscribe to the channel, and I'm sure you did enjoy this particular video. Please subscribe and comment down there your questions, your thought was bothering your mind, and I'll do my best to answer each and all of your questions. Thanks very much, and don't forget, I love you.